veteran musician Kojo Antwi, yes, the maestro, Mr. Music Man, Wasake, Oya, the manager, on an Juma for 11 years. What's up? What's up? Yeah, that was me. 11 good years on a pape Ayejuma, and it was over a WhatsApp message, like or sending a message on WhatsApp. WhatsApp here in I your girls, now boys, yeah. I am belongs to a business. Yeah. A whole adult sent a message now the wasak no. So that is what is trending. So veteran Kenyan musician Kojo Antwi has ended his working relationship with his manager Ransford Antwi after 11 years of being together for his journey as a singer. This was made known by Ransford in a Facebook post he shared as he included pictures of himself and the prolific songwriter. Now, according to Ransford, the singer Kojo Antwi sent him a WhatsApp message that he wants to take his music career to a different dimension, hence has to end their working relationship. The manager, who has been with the musician for over a decade, however, noted that he has accepted the message in good faith and wished him the best in all his endeavors. He, however, expressed his gratitude for what they've achieved during their time together. So you can see on your screen the screenshot of what the man, that is Ransford Antwi, posted on our Facebook. So that is where you have it. So it has created some conversation on that blue app, Mark Zuckerberg app, another has created a certain conversation as to why people are asking why should Kojo Antwi send the manager a message on WhatsApp terminating their contract or ending their working relationship. International some record. Well, for me, if indeed Kojo Antwi sent Ransford Antwi a message through WhatsApp to end their working relationship, I don't think it's professional enough. I mean, how can you do that? How can you do that? And the fact that you've worked with this person for 11 years, we assume that you guys have a relationship. So, Sabibi Nimpa, or there, maybe a one-on-one conversation, be an answer phone call or something, but then just a text. So just imagine, oh, weekend and I can chill, you've bambered, you've chilled with the big boys, you've run kitty kitty, you've run kata kata, if you drink water drop cup, like you've done all of these things, and then you go and sleep on Sunday night, and you wake up early Monday in the morning, and then you open you on your data first or your Wi-Fi, and then you open your WhatsApp, and then you realize that the person you're working with has sent you a message on WhatsApp terminating your working relationship. Like, how? Already people hate Mondays, my day, Ajua and Kojofu. And then you do this. But then as the man wrote on Facebook or posted on Facebook, he holds nothing against Oya the veteran musician. So yeah, they've parted ways. So that is it. So if you intend to manage an artist, well, the window is opened. Transfer window nearby. This year will be an hobby. You should manager for fun. It is if you want to manage or Kojo Antwi or be a manager or road manager or whatever, then constitution you can.